Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with me, James. As always, we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of the vehicle, and I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the car. But once we're there, we'll of course go through some of the major talking points and features there. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe, and it is presented in the very nice Glacier Silver. And of course, alongside that, we've added the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside adding the 19-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2016 16 plate. The vehicle comes equipped with BMW's M Sport Plus pack, so we do get much larger front and rear M brakes, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and heated Dakota leather seats, and of course we'll take a close-up glance at all of those as we go around the car. So straight away you'll be able to see those much larger and improved M brakes. Down the side of the car, gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, and of course gloss black air breathers. There is the privacy glass, which alongside that we'll be able to see the very nice black Dakota leather, which matches very nicely with the exterior colour, and of course the pre-mentioned Harman Kardon surround sound. So not only do you get the heated seat function in the front, we've also got the electric lumbar adjustment. In the rear of the Gran Coupe, we find a very nice Isofix rear bench with a centre folding armrest, which is particularly spacious. And we also have the very nice black headlining as well. Once again, just showing you off how nice these very deep dish concave alloy wheels are. At the rear of the car, we have a high gloss rear boot spoiler, satin diffuser, and a very nice bit of equipment in the form of the rear facing reversing camera. Opening up the boot, which is of course automatic both opening and closing, reveals the extremely large boot space, which is not only very large in both length, it is also extremely deep, which is of course always good for luggage capacity. You've also got the split folding option on there as well. And we'll move around to the other side, where once again we'll just show you how well and how nicely presented this vehicle is. The Glacier Silver is often overlooked for a few reasons. Of course, the silver itself works very nicely with the Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Not only that, the Glacier Silver will of course stay cleaner for longer, so it is quite a low maintenance colour in that respect. Power folding mirrors, as you've just seen there, as well as all of the other options are on this very nice Gran Coupe. The vehicle itself has covered just over 45,000 miles, and we'll now show you that rear facing reversing camera, which is displayed on the professional wide navigation and media screen with both front and rear parking sensors, and we'll run over a few of the other functions of that. There is the navigation screen, Bluetooth for telephone and audio, multimedia for USB, AUX, and of course CD, DVD and Bluetooth audio, and of course DAB radio. And if we click to the vehicle information and vehicle service status screen, we'll be able to have a look at the service requirements, which, as you can see there, the vehicle is not due a service for 6,000 miles. And if we go up to service history, we can see we've got 2 recorded services, bringing us up to full BMW service history, dual climate control as well. And of course, alongside that very nice 2 litre 420D engine, we've also got the 8-speed sports auto, cruise control and speed limiter functions on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So as always guys, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where of course I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. In the description you'll find all of the relevant information regarding prices and finance options for this fantastic looking vehicle, along with all of our others should you want to check those out as well. Thanks for watching, do of course take care, and we hope to see you very soon. Thank you, goodbye.